In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use Kami to merge together PDFs to combine them into one big PDF so that you may need to send them out to students or other teachers or your principals. It's simple. You can start by simply opening up one of the PDFs that you want to merge with something. Come over here to your three little lines, click Split and Merge Document. It's going to process through for you, and then click Continue to Split Merge. It's going to open up a new Kami PDF. If for some reason, if it's the first time to use it, it's going to ask you to connect your Google account here. That's fine. Do it again. And then you have your first one. We can simply now go and add any other file that we want to add to our document here. So I'm going to click on here and I'm going to go to my PDFs. And I'm going to see what I've got starred. I think I have one in here. Let's see. There we go. Go to my digital stem, select it. It's going to pull in that document. You can see right here, now I have both of my documents in here. And then I can keep pulling them in, but for right now I'm going to click Next. If I wanted everything in both of these documents, as you can see now I have everything in both. They're still loading. Here's everything here, and here's everything from my first one. If I needed everything, I could just simply come over here to go to Merge and then hit Export All, and it would export all of them in there. But I'm actually only going to pull out certain ones from each one. I'm going to pull out this one from this here, and this is how I'm combining two different PDFs into one. This is great, so if you have different things that you need to give to students or to give to other teachers, you can pull out what you need for PDFs. I'm here, and I'm going to say STEM packet. Say STEM packet. I'm going to hit Export, and I'm going to put it into my Google Drive. I could select my folder that I want it to be in. I'm going to put it in my AMI for Teacher folder, and then click Continue. And then it's all done, and it is now in my folder. So that is how you can merge documents using Kami.